Hey there, thank you for joining me today. Let's get straight into something powerful, something ancient and transformative. Have you ever wondered how to unlock the abundance you deserve? Well, there's a magic mantra from the Bible, a secret that many don't know, that has the ability to bring wealth and prosperity into your life. This is not just wishful thinking, it's a practice that has been known to change lives for those who understand its power and put it to work. In the book of Psalms, there is a verse that holds the key to unlocking your financial prosperity. It's simple, yet profound: "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Now, if you take a moment to really think about what this verse is saying, you'll realize it's more than just a comforting statement. It's a promise. A declaration of abundance. The words speak directly to the mind of anyone who truly believes them: "I shall not want." This isn't just about spiritual comfort, it's about creating a mindset that attracts abundance. When you say, "I shall not want," you're affirming that you have everything you need and that everything you desire is already on its way to you. The reason this mantra is so powerful is because it aligns your consciousness with the reality of abundance. It moves you from a state of lack and limitation to one of abundance and possibility. So, how do you use this mantra to create wealth and abundance? It begins with believing in its truth. You see, everything that exists in your life begins with a thought, and thoughts become things. When you affirm that you shall not want, you are shifting your mindset away from lack, and you're making room for abundance to enter your life. Let's break this down further. Imagine you're sitting quietly, alone in your space. You take a deep breath and repeat to yourself, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Now, feel the weight of these words. Let them resonate deeply within you. As you repeat them, feel your belief in them growing stronger. Each repetition of this mantra brings you closer to the reality of a life without scarcity. It reprograms your mind to see abundance where you once saw lack. When you repeat this mantra, it becomes more than just words. It becomes a part of your belief system. You start to see opportunities that were previously hidden from your view. You begin to recognize new avenues for income, for growth, and for prosperity. Things that once seemed impossible or out of reach suddenly seem attainable. The more you affirm that you shall not want, the more the universe starts aligning to bring you the resources you need to live a life of abundance. But here's the key: it's not just about repeating these words mindlessly. It's about truly embodying them. It's about feeling the truth of these words in every cell of your being. When you say, "I shall not want," you must believe it with all your heart. You must feel it in your core that you are already wealthy, already abundant. Now, it's important to note that this isn't about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. While this mantra does help shift your mindset, it also requires action. The universe doesn't deliver abundance by itself. You have to step into it, to claim it, and to take inspired action when opportunities present themselves. The wealth and abundance you seek are waiting for you, but they need you to take the steps to bring them into your life. When you begin to live with this mindset, opportunities start to flow to you effortlessly. You'll begin to see synchronicities happening all around you. People, circumstances, and ideas will begin to come into your life that support your financial goals. It's as if the world is working in your favor, because in truth, it is. When you change your thinking, the world around you changes too. But let's take this even further. The key to wealth and abundance is not just in the physical realm but also in the spiritual. As you align yourself with abundance, you'll notice that your relationship with money shifts. You no longer fear it. You no longer chase it. Instead, you allow it to flow to you naturally, because you know you deserve it. You understand that wealth isn't just a physical resource, it's a reflection of your mindset, your beliefs, and your energy. So, what can you expect when you use this magic mantra? First, you'll begin to experience a shift in your relationship with money. You'll stop seeing money as something scarce or something you have to fight for. Instead, you'll see it as an abundant resource that flows freely into your life. You'll also notice that the more you affirm your wealth and abundance, the more it shows up in your life in unexpected ways. It could be through a new job opportunity, a business idea that suddenly comes to you, or even people coming into your life who help you on your path to financial prosperity. The key is to remain open to the possibilities and trust that the universe will bring everything you need when you are in alignment with it. Another benefit of using this mantra is that it will help you overcome feelings of fear and doubt. We all have moments when we feel uncertain about our financial future, especially when things aren't going as planned. But when you affirm that you shall not want, you are telling your subconscious that there is no room for fear. You are telling it that everything is already taken care of. This helps you move beyond fear and allows you to make decisions from a place of confidence and trust. The more you use this mantra, the more you will feel the energy of abundance flowing into your life. It's not just a matter of repeating words, it's about shifting your energy and consciousness to match the reality of the wealth and prosperity you desire. As you align your thoughts with abundance, you will begin to attract it more and more into your life. You might be facing financial struggles or feeling as though wealth is something that belongs to others. But the truth is, wealth is meant for everyone. It is not reserved for a select few. When you use this mantra with genuine belief, you start to rewire your subconscious mind, helping you see wealth as your natural state. This mindset shift is what makes all the difference. Once you truly believe that you shall not want, your reality begins to reflect that belief. Opportunities that were once hidden from your sight will come to you, and new paths will open up that lead you straight to the prosperity you desire. This process requires patience. It may not be instant, but the more you say this mantra and believe in it, the more it will shape your thoughts and your life. The key is consistency. Like any new habit, it takes time for it to become second nature. However, once it does, you will notice that wealth will start to flow toward you, almost effortlessly. The way to unlock this flow is by staying true to your affirmation and continuing to believe in its power. The more you use it, the more it will become a part of you. If you've been struggling with finances or feeling as though wealth is just out of your reach, this is the time to change your story. By using the mantra from the Bible, you are stepping into a new reality, one where wealth is not a distant dream but a present reality. All it takes is a shift in your consciousness and a willingness to believe that you deserve all the abundance the universe has to offer. And remember, the key is not just in the words but in the belief behind them. The more you believe that you shall not want, the more you will begin to see that this is the truth of your life. Wealth and abundance are not for the lucky few, they are for anyone who is willing to step into the reality of abundance and believe that it is already theirs. So, let go of the scarcity mindset. Let go of the limiting beliefs that tell you that you can't have wealth, that you can't have abundance. Start repeating this magic mantra, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want," and feel the abundance that is already flowing to you. Trust in the process, trust in yourself, and trust in the universe. Wealth and prosperity are not only possible, they are inevitable when you align yourself with them. As you continue to affirm this mantra, keep your focus on abundance. Keep your focus on the fact that you already have everything you need and that more is coming to you each day. You are not waiting for wealth to show up, you are already living in it. The more you embody this truth, the more the world around you will reflect that truth back to you. So, start today. Repeat this mantra, believe in it, and watch how your life transforms in ways you never imagined. Wealth, prosperity, and abundance are waiting for you. All you have to do is claim them. And remember, you are deserving of it all. Keep affirming that you shall not want, and see the magic unfold. If you found this message helpful, I invite you to take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you'll be able to continue receiving valuable content that can help you transform your life. Subscribing ensures that you'll be notified whenever new videos are available, and liking the video helps spread this message to others who may benefit from it.